Friends, we are called putting God's house in order. The simple and humble parish priest did it perfectly in his life. Saint John Mary Vianney, noted preacher and a celebrated confessor, by his fervent prayer and penance, turned the notorious people of his parish into a place of pilgrimage. The tiny parish ours in the Diocese of Antipolo. Fertilizers and seasonal rain turns the soil into fertile. Likewise, intimacy with God in prayer brings blessings to the soul. Vianney's bended knee, folded hands, and undivided heart of prayer brought more blessings on his parish. Prolific sermon, best oration, conscientious visiting, imaginative project, skillful administration may fail to produce fruit if the person in charge failed to bend his or her knee in prayer. One monastery, they do not have vacation for a long time. A new superior elected, she used to pray on her knees all the time, even during liturgical hours. Consequences of this, now they are blessed with new vocations. Friends, parishioners must see that you are praying before the Blessed Sacrament. Men and women dedicated our lives to God. Let us imitate John Vianney's attitude of prayer. There is a saying, friends, between the bended knees, God stands. In another word, Vianney says, it is always springtime in the heart that loves God. Friends, once Francis of Assisi and his brothers set out to preach, but they returned without uttering a single word. Friends, all our attitudes are prayer. Think, speak, walk, act, sleep, eat, drink. All these must inspire our people to go closer to our Creator. The parishioners of ours astonished the way Vianney knelt before the Blessed Sacrament in prayer. Book of Proverbs says, chapter 16, verse 24, gracious words are like honey, honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the body. Like honey, prayer heals the person. It connects God and people. 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verses 19, St. Paul says, though I am free with respect to all, I have made myself slave to all, so that I might win more of them. The same way, St. John Vianney says, the prophetic word of his Vicar General's voice echoed in the ear all the time. So he prayed, God gave success in his ministry. Dear friends, let us bend our knees before the Eucharistic Lord. In turn, he may stand between our knees with his blessings. Wish you all a happy feast, dear friends, especially our priest friends.